Don't know why, don't know why. Told me to be patient, can't anymore, and I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. Feel the rhythm changing, these nights are the nights of our lives. Feel the beat shaking, I can see the look that's in your eye. What have you taken? Head so high, up in the sky. Told me to be patient, can't anymore, and I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why.
For the pitch, I'm power for the pitch. I'm power for the pitch. Yeah, I'm tryna pause for the pick. Whole gang psyched out, check my whole fit. Yeah, whole gang psyched out, you ain't on shit. Yeah, I done bought the whole damn side and still ain't posted. And I need more ice, yeah, more chips. For the whole world, especially on my bros dick. Yeah, I put a fire on my spot and we ain't toasted. Nigga, fuck the high, we ain't finding blue, cause nigga, I got motion. I paint a phantom blue, the shit look like the ocean. Whoa, I ain't had shit, they ain't noticed. Whoa, hit gas, bitch, I'm tryna float. Whoa, I ain't asked for this guy rolling. Whoa, I had to crash bands, I'm like for my life. If I fuck a friend, it's like she fuck me twice. She sent for a task and she got some cellulite. I only fuck with bad shit and you ain't seen a tan in your life. Yeah, I can show you in here for 10 in your life. Yeah, fuck the bitch, yeah, I might bring the sand to your wife. And fuck a clean soda, yeah, dirty, yeah, my Sprite. Yeah, fuck a clean soda. I'm tryna pause for the pay. Whole gang psyched out, check my whole fit. Yeah, whole gang psyched out, you ain't on shit. Yeah, I done bought the whole damn outside and still ain't posted. And I need more ice, yeah, more chips. Fuck the whole world of spicy on my bros dick. Yeah, pull a fall on my spider, we ain't toasted. Nigga, fuck the hype, we ain't fighting blue, cause nigga, I got motion. I'm not really in the line. My brothers in line said he tryna rush some. Had to kick out the line, had to send that blitz, yeah, had to punch some. Gotta keep my hoes in line, and they in the midst, and I don't wanna fuck
If she in the mix, I don't wanna fuck nothing up. I told my brother I put up and shoot one car, that's all. These niggas talking about smoke, they not even involved at all. She free hoe, get past the game. Why be a chain? Nigga, he is my name. We nigga hop in the flame. Put up them racks on seat. I get you smack through a tease. I get you wet by the seat. I get you wet by the knee.
I go and punt, rockstar piss my time. My rockstar bitch okay. Smoking side, yeah, I piss my lens. Seem like a lot, but a lot more come. Yeah, I seen a lot, make a thigh hole jump. Yeah. She don't get no fuss, I spin on the top, make a thought dream come. I'm running it up. Can fuck on her friend and she won't say nothing. Yeah, I know your man tryna be like I. Might fuck on your son and she won't say nothing. Get caught with your pants down, got no guns. So there with no hands, yeah, she don't want. Yeah, her to a fan, yeah, she with us. Yeah, I been get fanned down at the club.
Okay, last question. If your name wasn't 5-star, what would you name it?
I wanna be alive.
Yes.
5-star.
Yes. Bitch knowing too much, I had to go Casper. Brown punk in your jeans, I put them on backwards. 3, 6, 5 straight, I might retire after. I just played it when I done my jersey in the rafters. Everything I touch is gold, got the mighty touch. Everything I see is stone, cause it's snakes around me. You ain't peep me back when I was Vans and Abercrombie. They ain't peep me, it was packed, sun and phone passes. They ain't peep me rockin' KD6 on purpose. They don't peep the bloody tears shed to get it started. They don't notice now, flexing like my bank retarded. My bank retarded. My bank retarded. My bank retarded. I raise on stage like Travis Shaw and not like college. I drive off in the black, Uber X, I'm off it. I step into the pink room, that's my fucking office. Whoa, baby, don't do it to me, oh no. You deserve the world, let me show ya. You my candy corner, Barbara. I'm on tour right now, can't pick your phone up. I'm on stage in 5, I gotta turn up. But when I get home, we finna turn up. She felt like a warrior, she a soldier. Bitch knowing too much, I had to go Casper. New punk in your jeans, I throw them on backwards. 3, 6, 5 straight, I might retire after. I just prayed it when I done my jersey in the rafters. Everything I touch is gold, got the mighty touch. Everything I see is stone, cause it's snakes around me. You ain't peep me back when I was Vans and Abercrombie. They ain't peep me, it was packed, sun and phone passes. Facts. Shout out Jersey, wanna put my niggas on the map. It ain't nothing for me to go and blow 30 racks. It ain't nothing for me to fuck out and go cash. It ain't nothing for me to fuck out and go cash. It ain't nothing for me to fuck out and go cash. Cut a name truck all white like Casper. Paint her back all white like Casper. Whoa, baby, don't do it to me, oh no. You this other world, let me show ya. You want candy corner Barbara. I'm on tour right now, can't pay your phone up. I'm on stage and found I gotta turn up. But when I get home, we finna turn up. She felt like a warrior, she a soldier. Bitch doing too much, I had to go Casper. New punky, yo jeans, I throw them on backwards. 3, 6, 5 straight, I might retire after. I just pregnant when I dye my jersey in the rafters. Everything I touch is gold, got the mighty touch. Everything I see is stone, cause the snakes around me. You ain't beat me back when I were Vans and Abercrombie. They ain't beat me, it was packed, sun and phone positive. They ain't beat me, it was packed, sun and phone positive. 5 for up. She got a hole in her heart, she want me to fix it, she so lonely. love you, but I know that it's too good for it to last. I love it when you do that one lead, girl, when you throwing it back. I'm feeling guilty, gotta tell you something that I gotta get off my chest. I'ma tell you this one time. I got a house on my neck, I got a car on my wrist, it's mine. She used to fucking on niggas that ain't got shit going on, I'm fine. They ain't wanna let me in at first, somehow I'm cutting the line. Yeah, she got a hole in her heart, she want me to fix it, she's so lonely. I'm deep in the guts, I love when she wet, cleaning up on out 3. She my designer girl, I got her posted up in the villa. She on her whole hands when we out of color, but I still don't feel her. Still don't feel her, still don't feel her. She running back into my life, she needed a halo. I wish I could go back in time, but certain things done healed up. I know that it's scaring you, you don't like to face the truth. Baby, I'm stuck in my ways, baby, I'm stuck in my ways. I just wanna make you smile, what more can I say? Baby, I've been on my own, I'm growing strong, I'm feeling good. New shows every night, new city every night, new hoes every night, new whip every night, no boo every night, new spot later at night. You don't know me, how you wanna live my life? This shit get dangerous on sight. She trusting her feelings, I'm stuck in my ways, I just made a married. They wanna see how I'm living, might give them a tour, it's a wonderful feeling. Got big body cars and big body bitches, they all tryna get it, yeah. My watch be tickety-tackety, all of my diamonds be hand. She crashing out, I can tell that she finished. I'm in my blood like a school shooter, yeah. All my shit be designer, I'm bougie, yeah. I think I got rich, I'm selling my bread. The flesh on the block, make them freeze like a deer. She level and I beat it up from behind, got a handful of hair. I'm high as a kite, ain't still on the scale. Weapon on me at all times, can't trust the soul. That devil go with me, I'm tracking up hoes. You back coming in, I'm still tryna fold. I'm killing my vibe and kill the opponent. I'm a real nigga, it's hard to disown that. I swear I'ma keep it 100 with you. You gotta think with your head sometimes, things be missing a bigger picture. You gotta play by the rules sometimes, but she feel like getting over on me. And I ever walk, I'm flown nowhere. Baby, it's just a G. Fuck everybody that doubted me, that ain't got faith, but now you're depending on me. Yeah, my bitch super high, she got 30 degrees. Got a brand new crib, these brand new keys. I'm staying in the house, she getting undressed, she horny. She making out with my nigga off drugs. That's when I'm feeling her best. She love me, that's the only thing she take. Can't do it, but I'ma try my best. I broke her heart, she crying at me, it's a mess. She using me, ain't no reason to confess. Yeah, we always geek it whenever we wake up. I told her give me some head. Yeah, she ain't believe it was me when she met me. She always open her legs. I cannot give her no drugs no more. She be talking too much off the ex. Yeah, that's my bitch, she a queen, not a pet. Been there for 3 days, I need to get rest. She trusting her feelings, I'm stuck in my ways, I just made a married. They wanna see how I'm living, might give them a tour, it's a wonderful feeling. Got big body cars and big body bitches, they all tryna get it, yeah. My watch be tickety-tackety, all of my diamonds be hand. She crashing out, I can tell that she finished. I'm in my blood like a school shooter, yeah. All my shit be designer, I'm bougie, yeah. Think I got rich, I'm selling my bread. The flesh on the block, make them freeze like a deer. She level and I beat it up from behind, got a handful of hair. I'm high as a kite, ain't still on the steps.
Chat. What's good, man? How we doing, chat? New intro. Welcome to the streams, chat. How we doing? Chat, who's here? Come say hi. Pull up. I want to see some names in chat, and then we'll start the stream. What is up? Yo, what's good? Raise, Zulu, Mark, not trend lines. What is up? What is up? What is up? All right, chat. Let's start it off. Fuck yeah. How we all doing, man? We're out here, chat. We're out here. Good morning, man. Welcome back to the streams, chat. What's good? What's popping? Gareth, what's good? Chat, I'm excited today. It's a good day, I can't lie. We've got a lot of opportunity here. GG, what's good? Vidal, what's good? Mr. Trent, what's good? Shit, chat. Big day today, I can't lie. Exciting times. Awesome new intro. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Chat, let's get into a breakdown right now. We've got some potential here, I can't lie. We've got some potential. That 30 close was ugly though. All right. Let's see. I actually want to change the music here. Let's go for something a bit more high frequency. Oh, that sounds good. I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. All right, chat. We need some energy in here, man. We need some energy. Some energy. No stream yesterday, my bad, chat. We're back though. We are back. I can't believe it, man. First time I've had a day off streaming in ages, to be honest. But it felt good. Now I'm refreshed. Back in the zone. Let's jump into it. So chat, look, weekly time frame here. Going all over the analysis here. Actually, monthly time frame, still no bottom wick, right? Weekly time frame, interesting right now. Very, very interesting. We have essentially just pushing up above these highs here. You've got a wick fill up towards 403. Daily time frame as well, similar thing, but you are tapping into a very strong daily resistance right here, which we're now sort of rejecting off of actually. Whether we push through or not is a different story. I don't really know what we're gonna do here. You could push through. Otherwise, you're probably gonna see a retracement back down towards 52. But realistically, with everything going on at the minute, gold's pretty bullish. I think there was a bit of a manipulation this morning that actually ended us coming down towards the bottom of the range. But yeah, look, now drop into the 1 hour chat. This is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets really interesting. So you have a level right here. 3380. Oh wait, chat, actually, wait. Let's check the news first. I just want to quickly check this. Yes, we have PPI today. PPI chat. PPI. Full March in PPI date? No. No. PPI news. Wait, let me change the title. What are your thoughts on the plane crash? What plane crash? Bro, just full margin everything today? Fuck it. What's good, Fazo? How we doing, brother? Do you have a PS5? No. In India? I did not know there was a plane crash in India, but there you are. You told me now. Boeing? It's always Boeing, no? All right, chat. So look. What's good, Eddie? Eddie Lifts, long time no see, man. Hopefully you're good. So chat, let me just redo this. Sorry, I need to dial in right now. So obviously we have a 1 hour level right here towards 3380, right? So you closed above that, started to reject a little bit. As well as that, you do have some areas, if we come down here, let's actually place it a little bit lower. 3370 is like the bottom of this range. Chat, this morning I actually caught buys. I caught some clean ass buys from right here on this, just before this candle open. I took it up for like 100 pips, but it ran like 400, which is crazy. Gold's been running up all morning, so we should realistically see a retracement right now, which is what it's doing. I'm up 40 pips on sales. W, bro. Congrats. yeah, so you have a range here in between these two levels right now, 33.70 to 33.80. That gives you 100 pips. After that, you do have an area at 33.90. However, I do think we can actually target a little bit higher here. We can potentially target up towards 33.94 and actually use this area to the left as like a break-even point or an advantage point, let's say. Also, if you do start to come back down and close below this area at 33.70, you have a lot of room, to be honest. Like, you have room minimum till 33.63, right? But I think even further could be in play. I think you could actually see a push all the way back down towards 33.44. Every time you close back below here, if you don't reject right here, because you've done that twice, right? If you don't reject right here, you push down all the way towards 33.44. Now, obviously, we're most likely never going to hold a trade till there. But yeah, it's just something we can take a look at, right? So for me right now, I think sells below here are pretty decent, to be honest. I think buys back above 33.80 for like a fake out would be pretty decent. That gives you clean traffic up towards the top of the range. Gives you room towards 33.94. And then if you get the sells, as long as you don't reject off of 33.64, which even that gives you like 60 pips, that's like our advantage point number one. But full TP is going to be down towards these lows here. Remember, the previous 1 hour didn't make a bottom wick. Previous 2 hour as well didn't. 4 hour, current 2 hour, sorry, is coming for a flip as well. 4 hour as well has a wick fill potential. So either way, chat, there's a lot of opportunity here today. There's a lot of opportunity. You saw a good price action mirror? Let me check that. You're doing my analysis for me. You're helping me out. Nice little mirror. Tap into the level and rise up. Tap into the level, push up. Yeah. Decent. I guess we see how we react here, right? Explain the trade when you're ready. I got you, bro. The plane that crashed headed to London from India. Mad. Dope room. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Actually, I need to change the lighting on the camera a little bit here. Chat, what do you guys think of the new intro, by the way? If you didn't see it, then obviously that's fine. But, hang on, wait. Yeah, okay, cool. If you did, Sony ZV-1, nah, it's a Sony A6, what is it? A6 500? Something like that. Something like that, I don't know. Can't remember. It was decent, but it looks like it's maybe the AI. It is maybe the AI, bro. It is maybe the AI, like, I'm not gonna cap. But it's better than the previous one. Chat, I just think it's a vibe, wait. Look at this shit. Like, wake up in the, what is it? In the apartment, go to the trading floor. Was it shot with a drone? Maybe. Straight through. Got both my cars there. And then you got gym, or like driving to the gym. And then, yeah, the rest of it's history. You guys can see it at the end if you want to see the full one. Clean as fuck. Hey, thank you, Eddie. I appreciate it, man. Chat. So, yeah, this morning I took a position on gold here. The position was actually right here. It was a bit of an impulse entry, but we basically came down all the way up with one 1 hour candle and grabbed a shitload of liquidity, which to me looked like manipulation. Oh no, my entry was lower than that. It was here. Yeah, it was here. Because I survived that no bottom wick. And then, yeah, I just expected us to continue back up. I actually took it, what else the 1 hour was still open? I expected the 1 hour to open or to flip whilst it was open, but it didn't. Either way, my stops were actually just below the lows, like super tight. Not that tight, this tight, there you go. Yeah, and then I took it up till like, I actually started trailing my stops and got trailed out right, where was it? Like here or somewhere. So like 120 pips, pretty decent. But again, that trade's gone now, so we don't need to be focusing on that. You're in the cowboy mood taking that? It's a pretty valid setup, to be fair. Pretty valid setup. But the moment this candle opened no bottom wick, I went risk-free. So like I was like 20 pips in profit, just went risk-free the moment it opened up, because if that candle wanted to flip, you would have been in serious trouble, right? So you have to be understanding of your risk. But yeah, chat, either way, that was the position from this morning. Congratulations, by the way, chat, if you caught anything this morning. Did you guys catch anything yesterday, this week? We're already in Thursday. Chat, it feels like this week just started. It feels like this week just started, I swear. but it's already Thursday right now. Took the same trade, but didn't take the full move, only 25 pips. Brother, we're not trying to catch the whole move, right? Taking a little piece of the pie is all you need. Do you have a PS5? No. 4-0 this week, congrats. Danny, you said you have a question. Fire away, bro. Nothing? All good, Daniel. Settable form, right? What's good, G? How's Cyprus been? It's perfect, man. Chat, yesterday, I actually took a day off. I genuinely, chat, for the first time in like probably a couple of years, I didn't go on my phone at all for a whole day. Like, I literally did not go on my phone at all. We went and took out well, apart from to take videos, right? But I was actually in airplane mode the whole day. Let me show you guys. We went and got a boat. I was whipping that hoe. Wait. Fucking hell, I just dropped my phone real quick. Yeah, this shit was so fun. Took the GoPro. I took my drone, but it broke. So I have to get a new drone somehow. Movie scenes, yeah, trust me. All right, chat. 15-minute closing here in about 15 seconds. My fucking mouse keeps turning off. We are starting to reject here. So realistically, I think this is a higher low being made, sorry, to continue back up. How do you identify a fake out and not enter a breakout trade? Because a fake out often looks like a breakout. Or is it a fake out when the potential breakout candle closes below the resistance with the top and bottom wick and the new candle forms open? So to identify a fake out, first of all, you need to understand structure. Secondly, you need to understand liquidity, right? So the reason this was a fake out for me is because you can quite clearly see, well, we haven't grabbed any liquidity from the upside. So in my opinion, the moment I see something like this form, you've essentially, I think this is what ICT trade is called an imbalance, right? But the way I see it is we're grabbing liquidity now from down in these levels, but you've grabbed none from up here. So taking sells to continue down is only valid if you can then come up, break the highs up above, and then like break these highs and then come back down, right? Because you haven't grabbed any liquidity from the top of the range. So that's how I identify fake outs. A lot of it goes to do with market structure as well. Like, you can see the 30-minute close, or what time frame was it? 15-minute close below here, but look at the rest of the market. We're actually pushing up consistently here throughout, like since the start of end of last week, start of this week. So realistically, it makes it a lot easier to identify when you're talking about these other things. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah, also you have a change in structure on the 1 minute as well. Does that make sense, Danny? If it doesn't, I'll go into more detail, but hopefully basically I'm looking at price action mirrors, liquidity, I'm looking at market structure. So like those three things are realistically what can make you avoid a fake out. For example, right? Let's just simplify this to the max right now. So the easiest way to avoid a fake out is just looking at market structure, right? So you can see quite clearly if we're trending up like this, right? And then you mark out your ranges. So you got your support and resistance levels. They're going to be something like this, right? So if you then now come down and do something like this, where you now close below this area, the likelihood is either you need to come up first and grab more liquidity to come back down, or this is just a liquidity sweep below these lows for you to then continue up and do something like this, right? So using that market structure as well as liquidity, because we understand that no real liquidity was grabbed from above the area here. And if you see on the charts, the same thing happened. Like there's no liquidity from above when we faked out below this level. So then all you have to do is get in the buys after we close back above, confirming that you are actually faking out of the range, take it all the way up to the top of the range. And essentially that's how I identify fake outs. It's super simple, super easy, but obviously sometimes you're gonna get caught in fake outs, but that's how you avoid it as much as physically possible, right? I'm a bit sad I didn't hold longer. I had my full TP at 33.56, which would have been around 130 pips and a 50% retracement. Yeah, that's where I took profit at. So we're going up? I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure right now because apply the exact same principle that I just showed you, right? I just showed you the principle of liquidity, right? And now you can see, if we delete all of this really quickly, now you can actually see you've got like this range here. Let's just imagine this was our range. Now what you've done is like, you obviously push down and grab liquidity, but now you're grabbing liquidity from above as well. So this could either be, yes, a fake out to do something like this and continue up, or this could be literally just liquidity now to come back down and retrace the move. So we need to just wait for confirmation, really. Realistically, that's the most important thing right now. Confirmation for me would be a closure back above our high right here. If like, let's say the 30-minute can close bullish, or the 1 hour, oh, I mean, it's the 30 and the 1 hour, right? But probably the 1 hour will be what I'm looking at. But if the 30 closes bullish, after grabbing a bottom wick like this, there's really no reason why you shouldn't continue up towards these highs. What's good though, Jobs? Hopefully you're good, man. I shower with socks on? No, you don't. If you do, you're a criminal. Malinka, what's good, brother? Chat, I'm not gonna lie, I got extremely sunburnt yesterday as well. I never really get sunburnt, but yeah, yesterday I don't know if you guys can see, I'm pretty red. But I'm also just gonna get a fat tan. How's the Apex count looking? Chat, they're not looking good, I can't lie. I'll make a video on it in a bit. I got stopped out by a pip twice in a row for like, and then it ran to TP twice in a row as well. So tough. That's kind of why I took the day off yesterday. Live account's looking healthy though. I shower with the pineapple. What's good, fam? I shower with the pineapple in my hand. No, you need 50 pineapples, bro. Also looking for some trend, bro. Can you hook me up? Don't take trend. Don't take trend. Just go to, if you do want it, just go to your gym and find the biggest guy in there. If I'm correct, you just look at a market structure and based off that, you can identify a fake out. Yeah, I mean, market structure, liquidity, a few things. Chat. By the way, I think I might go to the casino tonight. Do you guys want a gambling video? Or a gambling stream? Imagine if I could do an IRL stream in there. That'd be sick. Basically there's this new... Cyprus has the biggest casino resort in Europe. They just built it. It looks crazy. So we're going to go for dinner there probably. And then I might check out the casino. I'm a fiend for a bit of blackjack, I can't lie. They'll ban your channel, true. Wait, look at this shit. It's this, bro. It's like the biggest casino resort in Europe. It's fucking ginormous. Hella luxury shops and shit. God bless gold. So much easier to trade than NQ. Gold's good, man. But recently, I swear there's been a lot of manipulation. Chat, I don't know if you guys have realized this. The manipulation's been crazy. Like, this is obviously manipulation here. This as well. Like, there's been a lot of manipulation recently. I mean, it is all just grabbing liquidity, right? But it's pretty crazy. Blow your money in roulette? No, roulette is just gambling. Blackjack's also gambling, but there's a bit of skill to it. Or we could do a poker tournament. I can't lie. Poker would be sick. Can't record people in there. Yo, you know what I should get? I should get the what is it? The Meta Ray-Bans. I kind of want to get them and then like, because I wear glasses anyway, right? So I could get the Meta Ray-Bans and then go and do shit like that. Back in the UK, it's pissing it down. Bro, tough to hear. Nice price action for swing traders. It is. I think it is. You're right. To be fair though, we caught this move and we caught a very big move earlier. Back in the UK and it's pissing it down. Jay. It's tough, man. That's why you gotta move out here. Chat, my mouse has gone flat. How can a girl get 3K viewers and she's a losing trader? Because this generation of men are extremely desperate and they want to interact with women in any way they can. UK's the best, bro? No, it's not. By a long way, it's not. Chat, why is my mouse not working, bro? What's going on? All right. All right, we're back. Chat, by the way, oh shit, let's do, she's not shadow banned? Yeah, true. Chat, let's do a giveaway on today's stream. Let's do a giveaway. There's 70 of you in here right now. Let's say 60 likes. Giveaway 60 likes for a free Apex evaluation of any size. So you can get a 300k account right now if you get the stream to 60 likes. Chat, much love. That new intro is crazy. It's like a good luck charm, right? I don't think it works in South Africa. I think it does. Enlightened Monk, what's good? What's good? Scratch as well. Chat, a lot of opportunity on today's stream here. We've got 5 minutes till the hourly close. I really do want to see it close bullish, right? The 15 is bullish right now, but it looks a little bit weak. I want to see the 30-minute close bullish, if anything. I want to see the 30-minute push to the high. Chat, I think we could quite easily get some positions here. Just stay locked in. Thoughts on crypto right now? That's a good question, bro. I like these questions, chat. Isn't Ethereum going crazy? Oh, it was. Oh, no way. Retrace. What did it hit? 2,900? Nah, nearly. Ethereum looks decent. Kind of broke out above, which is good. But again, we're getting slapped back down. What's Bitcoin saying? I mean, Bitcoin looks good as well. You tried to re-break the high as well, but it failed, obviously. Ethereum just always looks weak, I can't lie. 2 wins and 1 break even this week. Back to locking in after seeing Mansory Euros. I'm grafting until I can move there. Bro, yeah, my boy's staying with me right now and he said the same shit. Like, the lifestyle out here, the Cypriot lifestyle is crazy, bro. Like, Limassol life is insane. Genuinely crazy. I didn't know there was a Mansory Euros, though. Mansory Euros is insane. Chat, 60 likes on the stream and I'll give away an Apex account for free. Soon you move into Monaco? Nah. Monaco's nice, but I don't think I could live there. It's too small, right? There's not really much to do other than go to the casino. Monaco's 100% a holiday destination. Weather is also not the best, always. Yeah, no, I noticed that as well. But I do really like Monaco. It feels like a different world. Because obviously everyone has money there. Limassol is like good because there's lots of money, but not everyone's rich. You know, there's also regular people here, but Monaco is insane. I don't think I could ever live outside of Europe. I've been thinking about this. I think Europe is the best place on earth. Like, if I couldn't live in Limassol, I'd probably go somewhere like Marbella. Or, I don't know. I don't think I could live in Dubai. Maybe like Bali, but then again, it's like, Marbella, you get robbed? No, bro, not in the areas of Marbella that I've been. Like, gated communities and shit in Marbella are crazy. Dubai is awesome. There's no culture though. Culture is the most important thing in life. More important than anything else. In my opinion. More important than any Lambos, any crazy buildings. You think that, bro? Depends on where you go. But yeah, Dubai's like, what, 50 years old? Not even. So there can't be culture. Dubai has crazy culture. There's no history though. Ever seen an I-8 there? Yeah, there is an I-8 here, yeah. UAE has culture? Yeah, I'm not talking about UAE. because that's different, right? Dubai is just a city, yeah, exactly. But Dubai is just like, for me, seems as if it's just like basically all the worst things about like rich people. So like all the people that have just got new money, or the people that are trying to pretend they've got money. Like new money. Old money is the best thing in the world, chat. That's why England's so good. We've got like pubs and castles in the UK that are older than America. Like you can't get that anywhere else. You've got families that have had money for like thousands of years. I don't know, it's just different. In my opinion at least, chat. Obviously it's all opinion based. Chat, but we need to lock it in here. We've got a minute till the closure, and the hourly's about to close here. Above potentially. We're pushing up. So I'm gonna open my brokerage real quick actually. Give me 1 sec. All right, wait. Let me get the screen back, man. Can we close above here, chat? You got 30 seconds. This is crazy. Oh, rejected last minute, bro. No way it rejected last minute. See, look at how strong, chat. By the way, look at this analysis right here. Look how strong this level is. It's even being respected on the 1 minute. I just got cool. Can you guys still hear me? Yeah. The 1 minute even respected my level that I placed on the 1 hour to the T. How crazy is that shit? So that's showing it's a strong ass resistance right there. Now this might push up, don't get me wrong, but we just respected that like crazy. Sad that we rejected last minute though. If you did that on the open, that would have been your bottom wick and that would have been really nice, but unfortunately we didn't get it. Dubai's good for safety and business, but Dubai feels weird. The regular people working in malls and stuff feel like they're slaves. I saw construction workers sleep on the roads next to some of the world's fanciest hotels. We left our hotel on the Palm in the morning. The workers are working. Come back in the night, they're sleeping on the roads. Crazy. 30 minutes news? Is it in 30 minutes? Oh, it is, chat. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, chat, we have news in 30 minutes. So that doesn't really make a difference on what I would have taken here. If that 30 minute would have closed above, I would have taken that position, right? No matter what. 30 minutes before news is enough for me. We should be out of the position like within 30 minutes. But now that it's like, it's gonna be like 15 minutes, now we're probably gonna have to not take a position here until news. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what forms on the next 15 minutes. If it's like super obvious, we can try and grab something. But look, we're not here to force anything. Can you hold PPI with Apex? Yeah, you can. Chat, by the way, if you guys do want to get an account with Apex, if you're looking for a funded account, they are the best futures firm by far. You can use code TRLS for the maximum discount, which I believe at the minute is 80%. If you're trading Forex as well, go over and use ACG. That's the best prop on Forex by far. Code SG gets you 20% off there. And that's my, I guess, shill done for the day, right? Yo, what's good, Spion? How's it going, my brother? Chat, see, look at this push down, by the way. This is what I'm talking about. When you learn my strategy, when you learn to trade like exactly how I do, you get levels of accuracy that like are unprecedented. It feels like you're fucking reading the mind of the market. I put that level on based off of a previous 1 hour level, right? To the left here, as well as even further as well. We put that level on way before that happened. And now you see it taps in literally to the dot, respects it to the dot, and then rejects immediately. It's super accurate and we're not using any indicators, nothing complicated. This is what I mean. You don't need to complicate your trading. Trading can be extremely simple if you just learn to do it with accuracy, right? It's extremely easy. Doing good. Had a trade 5 minutes after I woke up in bed. Felt good. Good shit, Spion. Good shit, man. Congrats. Yeah, how's your ankle doing, right? What's your ankle, no? Chat, by the way, if you didn't see my most recent YouTube video, make sure you go and watch that shit, because that is basically a free course on the strategy. I'm not trying to promote or sell anything. Obviously, we do shit for free around here, right? This video that I just posted, like, was it yesterday? Yeah, 21 hours ago, is crazy value. Like, insane value. 30 minutes long, and it's literally just, it's my entire course for free. So crazy. 6 weeks no walking? Crazy, bro. That's tough, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Chat, should we make a meal right now? Just like 1 milli. I think it'd be pretty easy. If we all full port. Now, actually, why don't we all do this? We'll all put our accounts together, full port. We'll move the market with our demo funds, and then we'll make a mill. It'll be easy. Make a mill now then. Done. Done, just like that. What's good, Tom? How's it going, brother? Channeling is in a casino spirit. I actually don't gamble. The only time I would ever gamble, like I would never ever do online gambling or sports betting, but something about dressing up nicely, going to a casino, getting a nice little drink and gambling. I sound like Togi right now, but I'm not. Like, and you gotta gamble like 1% of the money that you have in your bank, if that, like less probably. Like you can have fun with that, like $100, $200. Only way I gamble is with the boys. Yeah, 100%. If you're on your ones, Raze, if you're on your ones, it can't be done if you're on your own. That's just poor. But like, yeah, if you're with the fellas, it's decent, man. Good, bro, how are you? Yeah, I'm chilling. One of my boys once, when I was at uni, we took him to the casino. He'd never been before, never played blackjack, didn't know how it worked. He put like, you know the special bets that you get on the side, like the perfect pairs and all that type of shit. He put like 10 pounds on that, and it came in and he won like 300 quid and just left straight away. That was like the littest experience I've ever seen. The guy doesn't even know how to play the game. He was like, did I win? And the casino guy was like, yeah, you just won like a decent amount. I was once in a casino in like a really rich area of Marbella, right? And there was an Arab guy in there. I was a kid. I was actually, did I just admit to something that is illegal? Anyway, let's say I was younger. Anyway, I didn't have that like crazy money, and I took like 50 quid in, ran out of it, and this Arab guy looked at me across the table, saw that I'd run out of the money, and rolled me across a 100 like euro chip to play with, and I was like, what the fuck? That's another good experience. Jail, victory settings. Don't report me, please. W Arab guy. Yeah, W Arab guy. You just know he had crazy money there. I mean, that doesn't make it less kind, but it's just funny. Now I see why those girls go to Dubai and get crazy stuff done to them, bro. I'm joking. Pause on that one. Chat, 60 likes on the stream if you haven't liked already. If we get to 60 likes, we're gonna give away some Apex accounts. Shoot, let me like then. Good shit, Green. What's good, my brother? How you doing? How many are we on? We're on 42 already, chat. Oh, I'm giving away an account. I might have to raise the stakes. I can't lie. I was in Marbella last year, and every supercar you can think of rolls past the clubs. Yeah, it's the same in Limassol, bro. The money's crazy, like everywhere, to be honest. I can't lie. The villa that I stayed in there was like someone from my school's like dad's. The next door neighbor was Gareth Bale. No word of a lie. The next door neighbor was Gareth Bale in this gated community. Would love a funded account. I've never had one before. We'll like the stream, my boy, and then you can we can give one away. But you have to be subscribed as well, chat. If you win the giveaway and you're unsubscribed, I'm doing a re-roll. Oh, chat, 5 minutes pumping up here, to be fair. Look at the volume here before news. Does that mean that we're pricing in news before it happens? Maybe. What do we expect from news here? What did they say? Let's take a look. So PPI, it's PPI and unemployment claims, right? So it could go either way. It could be mixed as well. If it's mixed, I don't really expect a big result. If like one's good, one's bad. Actual less than forecast, actual greater than forecast. So we want it to be, we want PPI to be less than forecast. We want unemployment claims to be more than forecast. And then that way gold will push up. We can get some buys. Buys in the 15-minute? Nice, bro. Congrats. 15-minute? Yeah, not bad, actually. Not bad. If it would have closed above this level, we would have been in the same buys. News guessing? Oh, yeah, let's do a poll. PPI news up or down? Up, down. Oh wait, let's do another option. Mixed. Goes nowhere. 3 options. Hi, here he is, Mr. Jar. What's good, my friend? Chat, 15-minute closing here as well in about 4 minutes time. Chat, yeah, if this closed above, we would have been in these buys. But then again, you know, it's not a perfect setup because it didn't close above. So not much you can really do, chat, to be honest. So in the example of this 30-minute, it closed above. How would one know not to enter a breakout? The 30-minute didn't close above though, right? It just did. It didn't, because you have levels here. Look, first of all, there's a 30-minute level here and here. The 1 hour level is also here as well. So it closed respecting. Obviously, we're pushing up anyway, right? So you can argue that maybe the market structure took over, or just the overall direction took over. Because again, like you did make a higher low here to continue up. The market structure is pretty strong right now, pretty clear, let's say. You're making consistent higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. You should see a continuation up right now. Obviously, though, we do have news in like 18 minutes, so I can't really go ahead and take a position right before news, because if you get stuck in that position, you are cooked, especially with live capital. Not the previous one, but the one that did break out. Oh, okay. All right, Danny, good question. Again, it's liquidity, right? It's liquidity again. You got no bottom wick on this candle, no top wick on this candle, and you closed with a pretty strong top wick as well. So the candle's pretty weak. So like, realistically, that's telling me that we're starting to push down here. Again, you can look at like the 1 minute when it closed above. I mean, yeah, it wasn't too bad, don't get me wrong, but for me, it looked quite clearly like we were rejecting. Does that make sense? Like, basically the candle wick is bigger than the body here, which means you've basically grabbed more liquidity than the strength of the closure dictates. I would want to see, a perfect candle for me would be something like, let's take a look. Something like this, I guess. This candle right here is great. If you close above like that, you got a bottom wick, you got a decent top wick. That's perfect. You know, essentially that indicates to me that we've grabbed liquidity from below, but we've also got a range to continue. I'm just trying to show, it's like exactly like this as well for sales. Let's imagine this candle closed below. You can see quite clearly it has, you know, decent top wick here, decent body size, and then a small bottom wick here to indicate, okay, you've still got room, you've got a wick fill to go down. Don't you need to wait until it does? Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So like if this candle closed above and the next one came back down, grab liquidity and then flip, then you could take it, right? But because that didn't happen, right, this candle just popped straight up. But because this candle's grabbed no liquidity right here, what you need to see on the next one is you need that liquidity grab. So you need to see this next candle come down, straight down, grab liquidity from these areas, right? And then you see it flip up and continue to the upside. And that's when you can take the position. But essentially the main thing, and I spoke about this in my video yesterday, the main thing you need to think about is if you're taking buys, has there been liquidity from below being taken? And if you're taking sells, has there been liquidity from above being taken? If so, then yes. But if you're trying to take buys and there's only liquidity from above, you're then trading like against the liquidity, right? And that doesn't make any sense. What's good, Andrew? Good morning, my friend. It's all starting to click in my head. Good shit. Good shit, man. What's the time over there? It's 3:15 right now, so I'm 2 hours ahead of the UK here in Cyprus. Chat, look how brown I got, man. I'm actually tanned, you know. Soon I'm gonna get the M-word pass. Crazy. Well explained. Thank you, Green. I appreciate it, brother. Someone clip that for me if you can. Cyprus, I thought you was coming to UK to USA. Bro, chat, wait, what just happened? Am I tripping? Chat, did you guys just get kicked off the stream or am I tripping? Why is it randomly dropped to 14 viewers? Or is that just a glitch? What's good to hear? How's it going, man? Oh yeah, it's a glitch, okay. What the fuck? Bro, I was like, what's going on? My pals just got back from a stag do in Cyprus. They got smashed up by some Russians. Ja, it's full of them here, man. But I wonder if they... Whereabouts were they, first of all? And I wonder if they did something to... I don't know. What's good, Daniel? Yeah, chat, it was just a glitch. It was just a glitch. We're good, man. We're good. I was just like, yo, everyone dip off or what? Yeah, okay. That makes sense, bro. That makes sense. Sketchy. It's basically like anything can happen out there. It's basically like a DMZ. Just like, you got no clue what's going to happen. Chat, 15-minute close respecting the level, by the way. I forgot to mention, but the 15 did close respecting the level. So the question is, how is this 30 going to close here on news chat? That is the question on everyone's mind. Bro, if buy or sell before news, no shot, bro. Stay out until news, man. There's no point gambling news. It's not sustainable. I'm tempted to at some point do like an Apex like buy stop stealth stop on some of that evaluations. My bad, chat. Because you can pass the futures eval with buy stop sell stop, in my opinion. Because there's no slippage, right? I don't know, we'll see though. You got 12 minutes here, chat. Decent amount of time, to be honest. Passed Apex eval last week, first time. Good stuff, Scratch. Congrats, man. Congrats, congrats, congrats. I think today, chat, if I take a position, it's going to be on my live account. It's going to be live on FX. I don't think I'm going to trade the Apexes today, personally. Chat, let's make a meal. All right, cool, cool, cool. Let's see, chat. 10 minutes till news here. 10 minutes, man. It's not a long time at all. Not a long time at all. What's that? What's good, Lawrence? Chat, by the way, we have a giveaway going on. 60 likes. If you get us to 60 likes on the stream today, yo, it's gonna be easily 60 likes. And maybe I need to raise the target. But yeah, 60 likes on the stream today gets a free Apex evaluation giveaway. Otherwise, SG going lean cutting? Nah, I need to cut so badly, bro. I'm still heavy as fuck. I'm still heavy, man. I weigh about 97 right now. But anyway, chat, what I was saying is, if you guys, what was I saying, man? Oh yeah, if you guys do want an Apex account and you don't want to wait for the giveaway, bearing in mind I'm only giving away one account, code TRLS is going to get you 80% right now off evaluations. Chat, see, look, we close respecting this. It's all about this level right here. What did I say? It's all about this level right here at 3380. It's such a strong level. Now we are closing, we closed respecting it previously, and then you push back up again, grab liquidity, and now we're flipping back down. So until we close above this level, I can't take buys. It's such a strong area that we're rejecting off of over and over and over, to the point where it's going to be pretty impossible to take positions until you do. Benching 210? No way, bro. 210 is crazy. 210 is crazy work. That's the over double my body weight. For a bench, 2 times body weight is crazy. I'm pretty sure for bench, like 1.5 times your body weight is pretty decent from what I've been told. That's my PR? No way you bench 210, bro. If you do, then fair play. That's a serious, serious weight. You should be competing at. If you can do that, you should be competing, because my boy Yannick, you guys all know Yannick, but this guy, he benches like 190 and he won the British Championships, I'm pretty sure. So like, if you're benching 210, bro, start competing. Chat, 9 minutes till news. Look at this flipping down here as well. Grab liquidity from above the level, and now we're starting to close back down. Sells are starting to look a little bit tempting. Sells are starting to look a little bit tempting. What's that in pounds? I'm too lazy to check. 190 kg in pounds is like 450, no? 420 pounds. It's fucking stupid weight. So heavy. Oh yeah, 210 is 460. That's heavy, bro. I bench 150. So what's 150 kilograms in pounds? I bench 330 pounds. Which is decent, to be honest. I think. I weigh about 94 now, I think, at the minute. I was 97 at my peak. 150 kg is good. It's decent, bro. I'm just an average gym goer, though. Like, I don't really try and max it too much. Bench is my like only lift that I actually try and go heavy on. Chat, 8 minutes here though. We've got news coming very, very shortly. It's exciting times, man. I'm excited for this. Honestly, if we close like this and we get a bottom wick and then a flip, I'm going to take some buys to continue up. Fam can bench Mark Henry. How much does Mark Henry weigh? Probably more than that, I'd say. Oh yeah, 160. Fucking hell. Chat, you know what I was watching yesterday as well that was super entertaining? You know those, what's it called? The slapping thing, like the new Dana White's new slap fight thing. Is it just called slap boxing or some shit like that? I don't even know, but bro, that shit is so entertaining. I literally watched a guy get wiped out. No, there's no way you lift 210 times 3, bro. Show me a video. I have to see this. To believe you, I'm not being negative. I'm always one to be like believing of people, but that is crazy. If you could do 210 times 3, holy shit. That's insane. I never made a video in the gym ever, but I can make one. Yeah, bro, I want to see that. I want to see that. That's crazy. Sick if you can. Chat now, I was watching this yesterday though. Bro. No way, bro. Just eat that. Like, eat that for lunch. I don't even know. It's the most American sport I've ever seen in my life. That is the most American sport I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, chat, 6 minutes here. 100 people watching? W, bro. Good shit, chat. Let's get to those 60 likes. Light work? Bro, some of them are crazy. That slap that I showed looked pretty weak, but not pretty weak, but for what they do, some of them are insane. They just literally get knocked out. So yeah, straight brain damage sport, 100%. Chat, there's a lot of potential here, man. We need to see how this 30-minute closes. If this 30-minute can close above, phew. What I need, chat, here's what I'm going to look for on news. The only way I can take a position straight off the bat on news is if we get like, basically a closure above this most recent high here on the 30-minute, and then a bottom wick straight off the bat, and then it flips, right? That's the only way I can take a position. Otherwise, I'll just wait. All right, let's see. How many times are you doing 150? Bro, like, I think I did it twice. But like, pretty much, it's pretty much a 1 rep max, I can't lie. What's good, Dev? How's it going, brother? Three minutes till news, chat. It's getting exciting here, man. Let's build up the anticipation. Nah, I'm joking. We're traders. We've got to stay stoic. Stay stoic here. We have been pushing up all morning, to be fair. Daily has room, though. Weekly has room. I mean, weekly has infinite room, basically. 4 hour. You should, to be honest, if you do close above here on this 30-minute, I would expect to see a tap into 33.94, right? I wouldn't see a reason for it to not do that. At least you're going to tap into like 92. So let's see. Let's see. What would stops be? As long as it doesn't break this low, your stops are going to be like 100 pips, which is large. Don't get me wrong. So drop your lot size a little bit. Expectations for news? I don't have any expectations because I don't really read into the fundamentals. I just react to what happens. Three minutes, yes sir. What's good, Ethan? How's it going, brother? Chat. Exciting times, Raymundo. I love that. Can we get some nice positions here in the next 3 minutes? Chat, if we don't get it in the next 3 minutes, we will wait. I'll stay on for like probably at least until NY Open. Ready for waterfall? You think we're going to push down? Chat, what's the poll saying? We're about 45% of people think we're going to push up, 37% we're going to push down, and 18% thinks we're going to go nowhere. Full port. It was good, calm. Listen, I say this every time, bro. You go first and I'll jump in with you. Not bad, bro. How's your week been? Chilling, man. Really, really good. About to make a mill though, chat. So it's about to get even better. Chat, wait, hang on. Why don't we all just partner up, right? We'll all get a partner, and then one of us buys, one of us sells, and you can't lose. Impossible to lose, right? Recent vid was fire as well. Thank you, brother. Buys and close your eyes. We'll see, man. We'll see. I want to see how the news comes out, though. I think that's important as well. So I'm going to leave this open. Raise my partner. W. What if it spikes? I'm joking, bro. Don't actually do that shit. 38 seconds here, chat. Put a 40 pip stop loss each direction and a 100 pip TP. Bro. South African traders going crazy right now. I'm going in. Full margin. I love that shit so much, bro. Makes my day every time I see one of them. Full margin. I'm going in. Chat needs to close above this high, right? $15 seconds. Four, 3, 2. What? So on this site, it gave me a bottom wick. On TradingView, sorry, it gave me a bottom wick. On my broker, there is no bottom wick. That is interesting. So if you look on Owanda, there'll be no bottom wick, right? Yeah, crazy. Chat, you might see us rip up here. I mean, you most likely are going to fill the range. At rate sells? Nah. I don't think so right now, chat. Did it come out mixed? No, it came out all bad for currency. So technically gold should push up here. Technically, you should see gold run up here. What does futures have? It does have a bottom wick as well. Okay. Oh, wait, no, that's the 1 hour. Wait, I need to look at the 30. Yeah, small bottom wick. But yeah, like this doesn't exist on my broker here. There's literally no bottom wick. So I can't take any positions now because that's mixed confluences right there. Oh, chat, this 1 minute. 1 minute came down bottom wick first and is now flipping. It did flip as well. I saw it. My spread is pretty crazy right now as well. Put your sell stop in your mark, bro. Nah. I'm good. I'm not taking a position just yet. I need at least... I'm going to wait for the next 5-minute closure. Gold should go up according to the numbers and my calculations. According to my calculations, I think the gold should probably push up. Sounding ass. I'm joking, GG. Yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see. We're starting to flip, though. Definitely a weak candle raise. You're right. Bro, my bad. Bro just put a chat in and just got roasted immediately. I'm sorry. I just love that phrase. Chat. How close are we to the giveaway, man? Do I need to raise it? If you guys... I'm going to start... In future, I'm going to start saying if we don't get it by the hourly candle. Yeah, chat, we're only on 40... Chat, what is going on? 100 people in here right now. Only 50 likes. Literally, you're 10 likes away from getting a free funded account. If that doesn't make you like, I don't even know what to say. Like the goddamn stream, man. Chat, if we get to 100 likes, I'll drop 10k in the casino tonight and lose it all. I won't actually do that. I could never gamble. You know what's fun about gambling, right? Like, I thought about this. Can I take the prize money? Apex, no work here? Nah, bro, unfortunately not. It's not how it works, my boy. The other 50 probably just millionaires. Yeah. Full portrait on red. Nah, if you were gambling with like money you actually needed, bro, it would be so depressing. Like, that's why when I see people like Togi and shit gambling, I know it's not real money, but it just gives me bad vibes. The point of gambling is to have fun. Yo, did we just jump up to 67 likes in a second? We did, right? Yeah, we're on 70 likes. Holy shit. Chat. Guess it's giveaway time. But now I need to set a new target. Let me delete this one. You've unlocked one giveaway, chat. Next one though. Giveaway time. Apex account evaluation. Giveaway at 80 likes. So if we 85 likes. I'm gonna make it more difficult this time. So we've done number one. For a second giveaway, do 85 likes. Chat, give me 2 seconds. Yeah, I'll be back in literally 2 secs. By the way, look, the 30-minute flipped here. This is why you don't gamble news, man. This is why you don't gamble news. Right, 1 sec. All right, chat. 6 seconds. Nah, it's a little bit more than that. Chat, you guys know about the lemon drinks, right? We've got the lime drinks now. We're switching it up a little bit. We've gone from the lemon drinks to the lime drinks. These are fucking good though, I can't lie. Perrier lime drinks, man. They're actually sick. Crow, what's good, man? Now, this way you're not getting lean. No, bro, it's sparkling water. It's literally 0 calories. It's literally sparkling water with lime juice in it. It looks like it's with alcohol. I fucking hope not. Nah, I'm joking, it's not. Okay, how did the 5 close? So the 5 closed doji. Interesting. Perrier giveaway. If Perrier fucking sponsor me, then yeah. Wait. Let me see. Let me see. Can't lie, this was gambling. Can't believe I wasn't stopped out. My stop loss was present. Buy limit. No way, you're up 2 bags. Is that on a live account or an eval? That's brazy, bro. No way you survived that. That is called good stop loss management. It's not demo. It's on Top Step. It's on a pass funded. Close that shit, my bro. What are you doing? Are you going to be around in 2025? I don't know. We'll see. Please tell me you closed that shit by now, D. What's NQ doing? It's still ripping, to be fair. At least trail stops, bro. You got to secure that profit, especially because you were gambling. You've got to secure the profit on that. I'm leaving it a B and letting it run daily highs? No, bro. On a past funded account, you got trail stops at least, bro. At least below the 1 minute. D, I'm not going to lie. That would be so stupid if you didn't, like, secure profit here. My analysis was taking the highs. Who cares, man? How many points are you up on that? Like, a crazy amount, no? Especially if it's on a live funded. Does that not mean you can instantly get that payout if it's on Top Step? I can't lie, bro. I'd be closing that shit immediately if that was me. Yeah, D, that's true, bro. Don't get greedy. Legit, do not get greedy on this. I can pay out in 2 days. I don't care, bro. You can get the payout with that money. There's no reason to risk this shit. You're taking highs already. News is over, let's jump in. Crazy. I took out partials. Okay. All right, bro. I'm just trying to see you win. That's all. That's why I got. I don't know. Started talking about that because I want to see you win. I don't want to see. Because, bro, that would put me on tilt as well. If I went up that much in profit and lost it, I'd be tripping. Gold's pushing up here, chat. Trying to see him lose. Insane. Chat, we're pushing up here. There's a lot of opportunity right now. 15-minute closure in about 5 minutes, chat. Could be our entry here. 5 minutes. If this 15 closes above these highs without filling the range, that's my entry. Take us up to the top of the range. But you do have a level here to the left that you just tapped into as well. Let's see. If we can pull back a little bit, that can be our entry right there. Stops below these lows. Get our entry off here somewhere. D, I need you to get that payout so I can do that. So we can do a trader interview, right? Has to be done. All right, nice move. Yeah, Andrew, decent move. I'd be down, sick. You're not streaming on the private anymore? On the private? When did I... oh. Yeah, I haven't been, to be honest, because I've been trading New York in the live, so I've been taking a break. I'm reevaluating what's going to happen here. I'm going to start the signals back up again, though. How can I join the giveaway? It's my first time here. As long as you're in chat, you're going to be entered into it. All right, Raze, man. Have a good one. Chat, we might feel the range here. Still a lot of potential, though. I can't lie. It's good, Toby. How's it going, man? First time here to here. Welcome to the community, brother. If anyone's here for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm looking 45 minutes and it needs closure above. Gonna miss it. Yeah, we'll see. Chat, anyone take any good positions today? In fact, how are you guys looking for the week right now? Are you in profit for the week? Bullet, are you in profit, break even, negative? What are we looking like? B, okay. Okay. Nothing wrong with being B right now. Minus 0.2%. Yeah, that's break even. That's break even, my friend. Bit of a rejection here, chat. This is very interesting. No trades this week. Waiting for a break even. Waiting for a break even? What do you mean? Surely you're waiting for a W, no? Don't be targeting a BE. Gotta target that dub. Sales on USD JPY and profit 400 right now. W, bro. Congratulations. I love to see you guys winning, man. I'm down 150 pips for the week. I had like 450 pips so far. Feel like I fucked up all my progress. Nah, you're good, bro. Sam, a serious question. Did you ask which quarter of 25 did the pro Squidward mean, actually? Yeah, he said the first... No, he just said by the time it gets to 2025. So as long as I make it to the end of the year, which obviously, as a trader, I will, unless something crazy happens to like my life. Unless I get abducted by the mafia. I'm new in trading. Can you explain how does PPI affect gold? PPI essentially is the price index of what? What was it again? Product price index? Yeah, goods, right? Producer price index. There you are. Yeah. So essentially, changes in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers. So it's like how much it costs companies to build shit. The higher it is, the worse it is for the dollar, etc., etc. So essentially, no, the other way around. The higher it is, the better it is for the dollar. You don't really need to know that though. All you need to know is that it affects it affects the market in an unpredictable way. Just stay out during PPI. And then obviously, like we've just done, right? PPI just happened. We stay out, and then after it plays out, we wait. And we wait for a setup. That's all you have to do. Should feel the range here, though. I'm a little bit concerned about this area to the left, though. To be honest, this area right here. It's like a pretty strong level on the 1. Need that gold setup, bro, make my day. We'll see, G. 30 degrees inside, man, dying here. Yeah, that's hot, bro. Luckily, I have AC in all my rooms in my apartment, so I'm chilling, but it's hot outside right now. I think it's like 32 outside right now. AC is a fucking killer, though. Absolute game changer. Chat, lock it in here. 1 minute to the 15 close. I kind of want to see, like... This 5 has no top wick as well. Previous 5 had no top wick too. So 20 seconds till the close. It's flipping into the close, chat, which means it's gonna actually just push straight up. I guarantee on the open it pushes straight up here. Or maybe not. I don't like these rejections though. Yeah, good. Top wick first as well. Chat, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I want to wait for the hourly. It makes the most sense here by a long way. It makes the most sense to wait for the hourly. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. All right. We are back. Why is this guy using literally? Literally. I don't know, bro. Yeah, it wasn't literally 2 seconds. I think it's an English saying. It's a turn of phrase. Chat. Let's see what we can do here, man. How long have I been streaming for here? Like an hour, really? Crazy. Not long at all, chat. So let's see what happens here. I think we've got a lot of opportunity here on this close. I'm gonna wait till at least, or not wait. I'm gonna stay live until NYSE opens. So that's in like 45 minutes. So we'll stay live until then. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of hungry though. Kind of hungry. I wonder if I have any snacks. Go eat. Give us some bread, bro, from the charts. Nah, I'll get something in a bit. Haven't eaten yet today, to be fair. I'm kind of hungry. What could I eat? Nuts? These nuts or what? I'm not just gonna eat nuts. That's crazy. Man's gotta eat. Yeah, trust me. Chat, I don't maintain a... Yeah, nuts is crazy. I don't maintain 95 kilogram physique for No reason. Order something, bro. Something healthy. Bro, I've been ordering food every single day for the past like month. I need to chill out on the ordering. I can't lie. Well. What's good, Cryptomaniac? 95? Yeah, man, I'm heavy. I can't lie. I need to cut down a little bit. I'm victim weight. Nah. Victim weight's crazy. What's good, Mr. Bedge? Protein? Yes, sir. Always protein. 95 is lightweight. 95 is not lightweight, bro. I don't care if you're heavier, bro. 95 is not lightweight. To weigh 95 kilograms is pretty heavy. Obviously, there are people that weigh more. But compared to like the average weight, and also it's very different to be average weight of an adult male. It's very different to be 95 kilograms and lean than it is to be 95 and fat. How tall? Like 6'2". Average weight of a male in the US is 90 kilograms, right? But think about the body composition, right? Wait, average body fat, US male. See, average body fat, no chat, that is crazy. That is insane. You're telling me the average body fat in the US is 28%. Do you know how crazy 28% body fat is? Isn't 28 very much? 28 is a lot. 28 is like this. Like this here. Whoa. Whoa. That's not good. Chumbawambas is crazy. I've been 10 to 12% body fat since I was born. Never went higher than that. Bro, you're chatting. No baby is 10% body fat. Bro is showing us naked males on stream. That's crazy. I'll show you another one if you like. Crazy. Yeah. They got the heavies. Bro, that's the thing. That's average. So that means that, like, realistically, a lot of them are basically a lot more. What's the average obesity rate in the US? No, wait. Percentage of US population that is obese. No, wait, not severely obese. We're talking about regularly obese. 40%. It's got to be more than that as well. Wait, let's do overweight. .6% of US adults aged over 20 years old are classified as overweight. That's crazy. Mr. Yannick, what's good? What's good, Tyler, as well, by the way. 51% of the population diabetic now, so it's normal to be diabetic and obese. Great. What a world. What a world we live in, right? And then they say to you that it's unhealthy to take steroids, or it's unhealthy to go to the gym 6 times a week. Like, yeah, sure. Yeah, so actually, if you're... Is that just the US, Yannick? Or is that the world? And they say that like processed food is not bad for you. Yeah, sure. Thing is that it takes 4 minutes to get 1,500 calories or 1 hour to cook and clean. Nah, not true. You can eat healthy very quickly, bro. Just like, it's all about choices. I used to have like a 20-minute lunch break at my old job. I used to go to the shop and get like a meal deal, and it's still only like 900 calories and like 80 grams of protein. Yeah, true. Just get a wife as well. It's easier to stop by the 9,000 fast food places and get 5k calories in 2 minutes. That is true. That is true, but it's all about choices, right? It's not about easiness. It's as bad as smoking. Yeah, I'd rather smoke and eat clean than eat processed food all the time. I've never been to the US, so I've never seen the serving sizes, but I've been told it's crazy. If 51% are obese, does that mean that literally means you are an outlier if you're an outlier if you're not obese? If you're not, sorry, diabetic. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. They just love sugar. They do. To be fair, though, it is true. Like, they're not... their own government is not helping them at all. I'm the only one with abs in my family? Yeah, crazy. That's crazy, bro. I mean, no, that's not. That's normal. But I mean, like, what you said, having a... Yeah. The US is crazy, man. To be fair, though, like, I can't really chat. The UK is not that far behind. Let's try the UK. Let's figure this one out. Percent of UK population that is overweight. %64% in the UK. %28% obese, 36% overweight. That's crazy. And that's 2022 as well. I guarantee it's got worse. Chat, you know what though? One thing that I will say, if you want to be profitable as a trader, bringing this back to trading, right? If you look after your diet, if you look after your exercise routine, and you look after your brain, the easiness to become profitable goes up massively. Because if you're eating like shit, you're not in a routine, you're undisciplined with everything else, your trading is not gonna be any different, right? It's still gonna be undisciplined, it's gonna be unclean. It's literally like just unbelievably easier to eat clean, go for a walk, work out. Your head is way clearer. There must be some fat profitable traders. Bro, think about all the traders you see on social media. Any of them fat? Like, any of them fat? I'm talking really fat. No. And it's not even about being fat. Like, trust me, if before this stream I ate like a McDonald's or I ate like a donut or some shit, I would not be able to focus as much as possible, as much as I can now. Like, I literally cannot focus if I eat sugar before I stream or before trading. It's a noticeable difference. Yeah, and then go to Wall Street and they're all on substances. Fair point. We've found a statistically proven correlation between food consumption and trading. It's true. Is Cyprus expensive? I want to visit. No, it's not really that expensive, bro, to be honest. It's relatively cheap, in my opinion. You see Kia wired? Yeah, those guys are always wired, like the politicians. Modafinil? Goated. Cake, anybody? Cake? If you don't have discipline in one area, it's fucked everywhere else. It's true. How many likes we on SG? I don't even know, bro. Tax in the US kills. Tax everywhere apart from Cyprus kills. And Dubai, I guess. Oh, Yannick, I've just seen what you sent me, bro. That is the... Not sure. I paid 20%. 20% is still whack, to be honest. I paid 2% here, chat. I paid 2% tax out here. Tell me somewhere else you can pay 2% tax. I mean, Dubai, but... I don't know, man. It's sick. It's so good. So if you make like 10K trading, you pay 200 bucks in tax. 86 likes, can we get to 100? Oh shit, does that mean I need to give away another Apex account? Holy fuck. Insane chat. I love America though. As an immigrant, this is my home. Ah, bro, 100%. I'm not saying Florida's paradise. Where? Yeah, I don't know. I need to go to America. I can't make an informed judgment. Until I get to America, I cannot make an informed judgment. 3 for 100? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what that is. They take your tax money to make the road and then they pay for driving the road. Then they pay themselves? Yeah, they don't fix the roads. Apex accounts, obviously. Yeah. No, maybe 3 for 100 we can do. Been to Jacksonville, didn't look like paradise to me. From what I've been told, America, from every European that I've been to, they say that it's not... Every European, sorry, that I've spoken to that's been to America says it's not ideal. But again, I haven't been, so I can't say shit. Chat, this is interesting. So like we're sort of forming a range here. Still bullish market structure, right? Just consolidating after news though, which is not really the most beneficial thing. Hourly just closed here, chat, by the way. I was looking for a bigger bottom wick right now. UK spread betting is tax free. That is true. Need to come to the south. If you're ever been to the Caribbean, it's like that 7 days a week. Mad. Confirm I lived in NY for 5 years. I prefer Italy. Italy is paradise. Italy, Greek islands, and Cyprus is genuine paradise. Like if you've never been to either of those, you need to. You literally need to. Tuscany's beautiful. Greek islands are undefeated, in my opinion. It's the best place on the planet. Island life is the one. Yeah, I agree. Chat, I need some liquidity to be grabbed here. To be honest, before I can take anything, we grab liquidity a little bit, but you're just in the middle of the range right now. Chat, you know we don't like to take trades in the middle of the range. Maybe I'll change my mind. Yeah, maybe. I mean, we'll see. It's just one of them things, right? It's all personal preference. Chat, by the way, we're going to do the giveaways at the end of the stream, I think. Whenever I finish the streams, we'll do the giveaways. So we'll stay on for the next 30 minutes at least. And then we'll do the giveaways from there. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in a sec. All right, man. Chat, we're back. Greece, Croatia, Spain. I find Spain, yeah, Spain's good. I don't know, man. So nice to drive 2 miles to the most beautiful beach and smoke a joint right in front of the store legally. I guess, yeah, like if that's what you're into, then I hear it. I think that makes sense. Oh, wow. Chat, you broke the high. It's pretty unfortunate, man. If we closed above here, we would have had these buys right now. How much do you risk each trade on Apex? Between 0.5 and 1%. I think 0.5 is probably a sweet spot for Apex. Especially if you're stacking multiple accounts, you don't need to be having more than 0.5% risk. Wait, is it legal in Crete, Jake? That's crazy. Just a standard 500 pip day on gold? Bro, chat, if I held my buys from this morning, were right here. Literally right here. If I held them, that would have been insane. What is that? That's literally a 450 pip move. Obviously, you can never say that, right? Because it's not how trading works. But shit's insane. Where's all-time high, chat? Nah, we're not going to hit all-time high today, surely. It's another 800 pips. We got the same buys, G? Ja, congrats, man. Good shit. That was a really clean trade. Yeah, I'm definitely going to the this casino resort tonight. It looks so sick. I just looked at another photo. What should I eat, chat? I need to get food after I stream. What should I eat? Someone give me some good suggestions. Call these buys. Why did you not take this one? There wasn't a big enough bottom wick for me, bro. And this level here is sketching me out. Like, look at how many times we rejected off this level over and over. Like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So in my opinion, it was a bit sketchy to take the buys. Futures is different. Was nice there on futures. Oh yeah, a little bit more of a bottom wick, and you got more room as well. Yeah, crazy. Why is the level so different there to the left? That's very interesting. Yeah, you're right. On futures, that did look way different. To be fair though, today I'm trading FX, so I don't want to be taking it off of a futures chart. I'd rather look at the FX chart right now because I'm trading FX today. Chat, but if we do close above here, you do have room as well. So I'm going to see what the next 30-minute does here. Because we have a lot of potential here. I do think we continue to run, to be honest. But I'm going to need to see some liquidity being grabbed. I would like to end the day off with a clean little position here, to be honest. It's been a great stream so far, chat. I appreciate you all very, very much. On Apex, you close after 1-to-1 due to the threshold. Once you hit the 5% threshold, you can target a higher risk as well. Yeah, I just trail my stops, bro. I just trail my stops. I think it's the best thing to do. With futures, that is. Because that way, I mean, you can run it up higher, but yeah, you don't want to be getting too big of a trade because of the consistency. Are we re-breaking the highs? No, just pushing back out. Okay. 5 minute. Nearly tapped into the level here, chat. By the way, NY streams are doing a lot better. I think NY is a lot more fun. Pierogi, you gotta try Polish food? Bro, Polish food is good. I like Russian food a lot, to be honest. Going back to the food topic. Trading stops is okay, but there is no sense into having super big trades due to consistency. Yeah, you can trade up to $750 profit, and that's like where you should probably be closing. Then you're still below the consistency level. Big rejection now, chat. You tried horse meat? I mean, maybe by accident in the UK, because they used to put horse meat in shit without telling anyone. But no, I haven't. See, chat, look, we close respecting. This could be your liquidity grab right now. This could be a liquidity grab to come back down here. Because you are now tapping into the area where we've rejected in the past, right? This level here to the left is an area that we've rejected from multiple times. Whole of the UK got served horse meat? Yeah. Chat. That was a long time ago, that scandal. I don't know if anyone remembers that shit. Like, it was Tesco, no? Or was it like, I can't remember. I don't know how the fuck they got away with that. Yo, mods, why has no one banned that guy in the chat? In the Discord chat? Someone ban this guy. Oh, has he been banned already? Get him out of here. Do I remember it, Nay? Crazy. That's dad joke of the day, I think. Gotta give it to you, Jar. Crazy time? Think it was Tesco? Yeah, I think it was. How's this 5 gonna close? It looks bearish, to be honest. Chat, by the way, what type of content do you guys want to see? Because the trading stuff's doing super well. I'm going to start bringing some more in real life content in as well. Like yesterday, I did film the boat trip we took. It's pretty sick, actually. I think I got some really, really good content. Like underwater shit. We went diving. It was actually really sick. Gonna have to do something real quick. We'll be back before NY opening. All good, man. Really like the talking vid about psychology. Yeah, that one slaps as well. Chat, the amount of value I've been giving out to you guys has been insane recently. Honestly, if you guys are new to the stream or new to the channel, make sure you fucking go ahead and check out the previous videos. Go back and look at the ones that have already been uploaded because they are super valuable. Like, I genuinely think you can become a profitable trader just by watching the free videos I've got. All of these. Like the trade recaps are valuable. Psychology ones. This is a vlog. This vlog was sick, to be fair. But then like all of these ones as well. Just so valuable. W for your latest video. Thank you, Nell. Appreciate it, brother. Again, I wouldn't make these videos if I didn't think they were going to help you guys become profitable. That's the whole point of them. I don't care about the views on them. I don't care about any of that shit. It's just to purely make you guys profitable. Drone videos about trips? Yeah, man, my drone is broken. I need to get a new one, but they're so expensive in Cyprus. So I'm thinking about getting one shipped over from the UK. For some reason, they just add like 50% on top here. But I do want to get a new drone. If anyone has one, chat, they want to sell or give to me. Day in the life videos are sick, mate. Thank you, bro. I'm going to bring a lot more of those out, to be honest. I'm going to get a cameraman, I think. The videos with the actual source get no views, but the videos of bullshit are viral as hell. Happens every time, man. But that shows you, Eddie, that shows you exactly how fucked the trading industry is, because people want to watch stuff with my lifestyle. They want to see my Rolex. They want to see my cars. They want to see all of that. But then when I actually go, okay, but here's how I got this shit, and here's how I actually can teach you to do the same, they go, oh, I don't want to watch this. This is too long. I don't have an attention span. So they're cooked. And that's actually a good thing for the people that aren't cooked, because now you have an advantage against everyone else. Because a lot of the industry are just so fucking cooked. They can't focus on an educational video for longer than fucking 10 minutes or 2 minutes. But again, that puts you guys in an advantage. That's why I love trading, because the amount of work that you put in is directly proportional to the amount of actual results that you get. Can you just send me signals, bro? Is what I get all the time. Bro, trust me, I get about 100 DMs a day on Instagram, and most of them are... In fact, wait, let's go on my TikTok real quick. Let me show you something. Look at my TikTok. I refresh my DMs often, right? Let's just go on TikTok DMs. Yeah, this shows you how cooked TikTok and like the entirety of the world is. If I go on my TikTok DMs, I have 160 DMs in the last week, right? Every single one, look, I need USD, I need USD, send me this, Lend me 2,000 USD. Hey, can I get 20 bucks? Hey, I need 50 USD. All of these are just people saying, can I have money? Every single one, and it goes for fucking ever. None of them actually message saying, can you teach me to trade? Or how do I do this? Or what is a breakout? Or what's support and resistance? Because all they give a fuck about is actually, are they trying to get money? And am I going to give them free money? They don't have the brain span to actually focus and learn. Or they don't even have the motivation to try. It's insane. It must be bots? No, I genuinely don't think... I mean, some of them obviously are, but most of them are not. Scrolling with your middle finger's crazy. Is it? I think the angle, it would have been harder for me to do it like that, so I did it like this. I don't know, man. Chat, look at this rejection. Big ass rejection right here. What did I say? How long are you still on? At least the next like 15 minutes minimum. Chat, what did I say though? Look at that rejection area. How can they be that beggy? Because they have nothing else going for them, unfortunately. 15 minutes, chat. Right shoulder never misses. This is crazy. Well, chat, should we call it a stream now? Can you do a strategy ranking? Oh yeah, wait. What's that? Where's that ranking site? What is that thing that everyone uses? Chat, what's the site called? Call it the end of the day in Cyprus? Nah. We still gotta go. Still gotta go do the casino. Chat, let's do the we'll do the giveaways in a bit as well. Let's do this ranking thing. That's a great idea. Chat, what is the what's that website called that everyone uses to rank stuff? Tier list website. Is it that? Yeah, this one, right? Wait. Oh yeah, chat. Right, give me the name of all the strategies. Oh, I have to use images, right? Oh, that is cooked. I was gonna say ages. Wait, is there a trading strategy one? Chat, do we think there's a trading strategy one that's like available? What the fuck is that? Or someone make one. Because I think you can make one and send it to me. Oh. Wait. Trading pairs, Forex traders. Oh, should we do a prop firm ranking one? What's your trade journal again? Exclamation mark journal. Oh no, these are all. I don't even know these. Are you in a trade currently? No. Hello, do you have a video on exits? That's what I struggle with the most. Yeah, the most recent video I posted does talk about that a lot. So yeah, the most recent video I posted will be the one for you, I think. I really want to do that. That's a sick video. I'm going to make that at some point. Cool, I'll check it out. Thanks. Yeah, no stress, man. Trading guru? Crazy. How is there not a trading strategy? Right, we have to do that. I'm mad. There's one for gurus. No way. Where's the real guy on here? You know that trend lines guy? He should be on here. 100%. All right, chat. You know what? I'm going to call it here. I don't think I have a setup. Martin Gale top tier. Yeah, Martin Gale does go hard. Chat, let's do the giveaway. So, you guys know how this works, right? You have to spam chat. If you put a message in chat, that means you're going to be eligible for the giveaway, right? And then I'm going to draw it from all the people in chat automatically. All right, so if you want to be entered into the giveaway, type a message in chat for your chance to be entered. Ah, there we go. I was like, where's the spam comment? There it is. All right, let me end this poll first. All right, there you go. All right, chat. Ready? I'm going to type it in. What is it? Winner, yeah. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. 3, 2, 1. Who's going to be the winner? The winner is Nell Smith. Nell, good shit, man. I like it when people who have been an OG to the channel win. I'd rather that than the newer people. As much as I love you newer guys, it's good to see the winners get, the OGs getting rewarded. Nell, are you here? Is Nell here? We'll give it to him anyway. We'll give it to him anyway because Nell's an OG, and they were here. It's not. I don't know why I said she. Yeah, they were here at the start. So that's the giveaway, chat. Listen, if you are going to jump off right now, make sure you are subscribed. Other than that, let's jump in the Geoguessr. We'll play one game of Geoguessr to end off the stream. Chat, today was a banger stream. We didn't actually end up getting a position, but we did end up having an extremely valuable stream. You should have taken away a lot of value from this. If you were focused, take notes. We also had an extremely fun time, I can't lie. So, yeah, man. Good shit today, chat. Genuinely a good stream. We'll be back same time tomorrow, remember. Same time tomorrow. 12 p.m. UK time. 3 p.m. Cyprus time. Same time tomorrow. And we'll have the exact same stream to end off the week here in a nice way. Other than that, chat, let's play this Geoguessr, and then we'll call it. Oh, actually, one more plug. If you guys do want to grab an account with Apex, because you didn't win the giveaway, make sure you use code TRLS. They're the best futures prop firm in the game. Ultra scalable. You can make some serious cash with Apex. So yeah, if you do want to get an account, code TRLS gets you 80% off. Let's start the game. What is this? Ah. I think that might be I think that might have thrown. Nah, yeah, it is. All right. Just want to guess. Oh, there's a town there. Crazy. Scratch. Bro, got a new laptop. I'm excited. Gonna sell chai in my new one. Got to sell chai. What? What does that even mean? This has got to be like Schweiz. Somewhere like that. Could even be Balkan, to be fair, but I'm going to stick it somewhere like this. Austria, Switzerland. It could even be like Romania. Oh yeah, Slovenia, there you go. Beautiful out there though. That's what Indian people do, bro. Sell chai on a laptop though. What do you mean? Chat, where is this? Spain or Mexico? Maybe. I don't know. I'm always bad at the Southern American ones or the... Yeah, see, Colombia. I never get these ones right. I'm still in second place though, chat. It's all to play for. 2 rounds left. How can I... Oh, wait. Okay. What happened to the sign? Bro. Oh, wait. I know that. Yeah, man. That was... I had like a couple of seconds left to put it on Malaysia. I just saw Kuala Lumpur. Nell, you won the giveaway, bro. You won the giveaway. Congrats. Pinguino? Crazy. This has got to be like someone like this, no? I'm just going to always guess Mexico, I think. I think that's going to be my new tactic. Ecuador. Chat, where did I come here? I think that must have... Oh, yes. Go on, my son. I'll take a W there. Chat, GG's. What a game. What a stream. All round, what a day. Congratulations to everyone. If you took some positions, GG's. If not... There's always tomorrow, right? Have a great rest of your day. Pool keeper, scratch. Congrats for second and third. We're ripping back down now, chat. I'd be hesitant taking buys here. Just be careful. Be careful, chat. And yeah, other than that, peace out. I'm going to play the new intro again for the outro. Fuck it. Have a great rest of the stream, chat. Bye-bye. See you later, man. In a bit.
Bored up before. Long way from here. Long way from home. Gotta keep it real, true. Real till I go. Gotta keep it with me, yeah. Everywhere I go. Hustle, meditate. Pussy penetrate. Money conversation. I'ma take them daily. Niggas still swag. I can never copy. Niggas really hate. Checking emails more than my taste. Shit getting crazy. Riding through the dark night. Shit a loud heights. I'm alone though. I ain't finna dig right. Switch sides. I don't need your promo. Addict got me geeky. Thinking about a master plan. I'm on my zone though. I ain't tryna borrow, rather buy the whole load. I done have a fair share and I ain't really calling niggas friends. Niggas cheer me on, elevate strong, try to bring them in. Mama knows she calling on a baby boy, son for it all. Even though I'm still gaining maintain, trying to get it all. I gotta just pat me the ball. I'm breaking this curse, that's what all. I may stumble, but I cannot fall. I give me a grip, I'm a law. It can't just be me ballin', team gotta be ballin', I gotta go get it all. It can't just be me ballin', team gotta be ballin', I gotta go get it all.
Much love, chat. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.